फॉर्मेशन का अवलोकन होगा। कुछ ही क्षणों के पश्चात सबकी निगाहें आसमान की ओर उत्कंठा से प्रतीक्षा।
Next formation, globe formation comprising a C-17. In the lead, flanked by on either side MiG-29 aircraft and Sukhoi 30 MKIs. Formation led by Group Captain A.K. Patnaik.
ग्लोब फॉर्मेशन बीच में एक C-17, दोनों तरफ दो MiG-29 और Su-30 MKI, नेतृत्व ग्रुप कैप्टन A.K. पटनायक।
Formation displaying mobilization and delivery of offensive air power strength of the Indian Air Force.
The next formation depicts the truly intimidating capability of the Indian Air Force. The 5 aircraft
जनसमूह दम साधे इस हैरत अंगेज अविस्मरणीय वायु विचरण का अवलोकन करते हुए वायुसेना दिवस परेड के अवसर पर।
The next formation depicting the truly intimidating capability of the Indian Air Force. The 5 aircraft Bahadur formation comprising a Bison in the lead, flanked by 2 MiG-29 aircraft and 2 Sukhoi 30 aircraft. Now streaking straight ahead from the skies towards the saluting desk. The Bahadur formation led today by Wing Commander M. Rana.
बहादुरी की मिसाल बहादुर फॉर्मेशन, एक बाइसन, 2 Mi-29 और 2 सुखोई 30, नेतृत्व विंग कमांडर एम राणा। करतल ध्वनि से अभिनंदन उपस्थित जनसमूह द्वारा इस हैरत अंगेज रोमांचकारी पराक्रम का। बहादुरों के बाद अब बारी है त्रिशूल फॉर्मेशन की। सामने से त्रिशूल फॉर्मेशन जिसमें 3 Su-30 विग फॉर्मेशन में आएंगे। उत्कंठा के साथ प्रतीक्षा।
The formation will carry out a Trishul maneuver right in front of the spectators here, and the 2 wingmen will split. Watch the leader pull up and the wingmen split, casting a trident or a Trishul up in the air.
विग फॉर्मेशन में इसका नेतृत्व कर रहे हैं ग्रुप कैप्टन एसपी चोपड़ा। त्रिशूल देश की तीनों सेनाओं के सामंजस्य का भी परिचय है।
And now streaking from the horizon, the arrival of the next formation, Vijay formation, depicting the capability and intent of coming out victorious from any battle of the future. The Vijay formation has newly inducted Rafale aircraft in the lead, flanked by 2 Jaguar aircraft and 2 Mirage 2000. The formation will be led by Group Captain Neeraj Sham. The Rafale aircraft is a very high thrust and capable all-weather operations aircraft, and that's the Vijay formation comprising Rafale, flanked by Jaguar and Mirage 2000.
दांतों तले दबाने वाला प्रदर्शन, किसी भी युद्ध में जीत हासिल करने में सक्षम ये वायु विचरण करते हुए वायु योद्धा और उनके विमान आज के समारोह को पूर्णता प्रदान करते हैं।
Inverted for a half roll, this maneuver carried out to shoot down the adversary by exploiting the vertical plane. The half roll carried out to allow for a rapid change of direction for an optimum weapon solution. Now positioning for a loop. The looping maneuver in a vertical plane is indicative of the ability of the aircraft to rapidly change plane in a vertical fight with an adversary. Here she comes. Fix your gaze at the Tejas, pulling up into a loop shortly. And here she goes. For the next maneuver, the outside turn. It is pertinent to note the effortless manner in which the pilot has moved from a high G which is a loop, to a negative G outside turn. This transition is highly telling of the abilities of our pilots to push their physical limits. And as he performs a knife-edge turn, the other two transformers, the Rafale and the Sukhoi, have joined up forces and are awaiting their turn to showcase their prowess. Tejas now tagging out for now, exiting the arena, making way for the Rafale and the Sukhoi, flying in from your right for a slow speed run. The ability of these fighter aircraft to fly low and slow is because of the exceptional aerodynamic design and superior engine performance. Keep looking to your right. Crossing the saluting dais, the Sukhoi will pull up, demonstrating its acceleration capability and the awesome power of its twin Saturn engines. Ladies and gentlemen, the slow speed run.
Turning right and proceeding to form a figure of 8 depicting the 88th Air Force anniversary. The Rafale now carrying out a minimum radius turn within an area smaller than a hockey field, forming a figure of 8. This ability is critical for a fighter aircraft to outrun the adversary. The turning advantage enables a quick weapon solution on the adversary. Coming in from your left, the Rafale. The Rafale tags out for now, making way for the Tejas once again. Ladies and gentlemen, keep looking straight ahead, 12 o'clock for the Tejas. The Tejas ahead, 12 o'clock is positioning for a loop straight ahead. Here she pulls up into the loop, showing off a beautiful curve.